is good, everybody? It's your girl Alexis Raquel, and I am finally back with another video. I am always lying to y'all, talking about I'm gonna be back the next day, or y'all gonna see me the day after that, whatever the hell I be saying. I be lying, y'all, and I gotta get my shit together. So I am back, y'all, and I am back with the Mix with Girl tag. Hold on, pause. I need a name to call y'all. So what should it be? Cause you know it's a few of us out here, so we need a name, y'all. What? Lexo Squad, Lexo Gang. What's up? Let me know. Let me know. If y'all have any suggestions, leave it in the comments below. But we're gonna hop right into this mixed girl tag video. If y'all are wondering where my daughter is, she is upstairs with her daddy. Because I want to get this video done without her crying, because she's spoiled and she always wants to be held, and I can't hold her the whole video. Well, I could, but I won't be concentrated. I'll be distracted because I'm always attending to her needs. So first question, what are you mixed with? I'm mixed with Black and Filipino. What ethnicity have you been mistaken for? I've been mistaken for a lot of ethnicities. Everybody has always known I've been mixed with Black, but people would be like, I'm Black and white, I'm Black and Mexican, I'm Black and so and so. Everybody got the Black part down packed, but it's what else is the trigger. Is your hair curly or straight? My hair is curly, y'all. Right now it's brushed out because it's in a ponytail, but it is curly. So, but I do need help, y'all, because my hair has a lot of heat damage from years of flat ironing my hair. So y'all, I really need a curly hair routine on how to recover my curls. So if anybody out there knows something, please comment down below or email me. It's in the description below. DM me on Instagram, whatever. I'm gonna be looking out. Okay, next question. Let's see how many questions there is. Hold on. It says, was coming from different backgrounds challenging growing up? I feel like if I grew up with both sides, then yes, it would be challenging. But really, no. The only Filipino part of my family that I do know is my mom and my grandma. Other than that, I've literally never met anybody else on my other side of the family. Like, of course, my mom has friends that she calls her sisters that I look at as my aunties, and I grew up like with them, or you know, stuff like that. But you know, they're not Filipino, so I don't know too much about my side, that side of me. But I have ate, you know, some of the food from what my grandma has cooked, and it is good. What else? Hold on, y'all. But mostly I grew up with my Black side of the family, and I mean, it's always been cool. I've always kicked it with my cousins and whatnot, you know, doing everything you know, bad little kids do, going outside, you know, doing all that. Man, I kicked it with my people. What background do you embrace the most? I embraced my Black side, of course. You know, if people, like, you know, when it comes to a job or school or anything, I only put African American because that's the only side that I know about. That's the only side I embrace. And believe it or not, my mom is the Filipino one, and on all of her kids' birth certificates she put African American. So that's what side I embrace the most. I do claim my Filipino side, you know, if somebody asks, but if somebody asks me, you know, I'm just, you know, a light-skinned Black girl. Have you ever been teased for being different? No. You know, people make jokes here and there, like, oh, like my uncle, for example, on my daddy's side. He was like, Mexicano, yada yada yada, because, you know, I ain't like everybody else. I ain't black as everybody else, whatever. But I just be like, shut up, ugly. Like, you ugly. That's why your mama ugly. But I mean, that's really what it is. But that, I don't know. I never really been teased for it, and it really doesn't bother me, because fuck whoever got something to say. I am what I am, bitch. If I tell you I'm motherfucking black, that's what I am. If I tell you I'm motherfucking Indian, that's what I am. If I tell your ass that I am motherfucking Dominican, that is what I am. Don't question me about it, period. Have you ever been ashamed of being multiracial? No, I've never been ashamed about it. Because I mean, it makes me who I am. Like, if I didn't have both sides, I wouldn't look like this, you know. And you know, I just wouldn't have, you know, the hair that I have. Wouldn't, like, it's like a whole bunch of stuff too that I wouldn't, you know, I wouldn't be me. Basically, I would not be me. Period. So no, I've never been ashamed. I am who I am. I embrace it to the fullest. But I mean, once it comes to me putting something down on paper, African American, that's what I put. Do you feel like being mixed has its benefits? I mean, yeah, I kind of do, because like I said, you get to enjoy foods from this cultural side and then this cultural side. So I've grown up, you know, having Filipino food and soul food and American food. But I mean, everybody, like, if you were white, if you were black, if you were Mexican, Chinese, whatever, you could always try different foods. But I mean, it's growing up, you know, with grandparents who know the recipe to make it, you know. So I mean, I guess that's a benefit. What makes being multiracial a beautiful thing? Like, we are putting two cultures together, baby. We're making a family from two different cultures into one, creating a little human that is now multiple races, ethnicities, you know. And it's dope. It's a dope thing. You learning different backgrounds from here and there, if they're active in your life, you know. So I mean, it's a dope thing to me. It's always been a dope thing to me. So I mean, I love it. I get my beautiful curly hair from being mixed, like, because my dad doesn't have, you know, the type of hair that I have, and my mom doesn't have the type of hair that I have. They, you know, made me and gave me the curly hair that I have. So I'm grateful for it, you know. Even though it needs recovering, I obviously took advantage of it, but I need it back. Let's see. I'm sorry, I'm sick. And advice to someone who struggles with multiracial identity. My advice to anybody who struggles with racial identity, just embrace whatever you feel like you are. Like, but you, like, really be it though. Embrace whatever, because like I said, you could be white and you can travel to Mexico and you can embrace their culture, you know, and live up to what they do on a daily basis, you know. You can't, somebody can limit you from, you know, embracing different cultural backgrounds. So if you look at yourself as mostly this, then let them know. Like, I don't care what you have to say. This is what I am. This is what I grew up, and I don't gotta prove shit to you, sweetheart. It is what it is, you know, period. Because let somebody try to call me out. I am what I am, period. Okay, get your life. Worry about you, sweetheart. Don't worry about me over here. Okay. Like, people go to call my daughter and say she look this and the third. Okay, but she's not. She's black, sweetheart. Okay, period. I don't care what you gotta say. If anything, don't worry about her. Don't worry about what she got going on. Worry about yourself. Or worry about who you got going on up in your life. Because my daughter don't care. Okay? And I don't care. Period. I'm sorry, y'all. This shit's just funny to me. Because, like, people really do be out here worried about what culture you're embracing or what you're mixed with. Don't worry about it, baby. If I say I'm this, then I'm this. And if I, just like, because I'm pretty sure my daughter's going to have a hard time. You know, when she grows up, people going to probably, you know, be doing this, that, and the third. Baby, my baby is black, sweetheart. Because her father is black. But I am half black. But I embrace, you know, myself as, you know, a light-skinned black woman. That's what I embrace myself as I am. So, I mean, that's what my daughter is. If I'm 50% of it, and I'm claiming the whole 100, my daughter's gonna claim that 100 because she's only 25% Filipino. Do you feel what I'm saying? So don't knock my daughter down. You feel me? Or you gonna get your ass beat. But that's just what it is. I mean, that's just the society we live in today. And I mean, we just gotta, you know, be confident in who we are, and, you know, hold our head up high and not care about what nobody has to say, because really nobody's opinion matters. The only competition that you have is with yourself. So as long as that you know what you doing and who you are, nobody's opinion matters, because ain't nobody helping you get to that bag. Ain't nobody living your life on a daily basis. Ain't nobody helping you buy a house and do this, that, and the third and get your life together, and helping you with your depression and, you know, all that, you know, all the stuff that you would struggle with from people picking on you and teasing you about it. You know, ain't nobody helping you get to your goals in life. So don't trip. Don't trip about it. Is there any more questions on here? Let's see. I told y'all my mom is Filipino, my daddy is black, right? I think. Let's see. Have you ever been teased? I did that. I did that. Well, yeah, that is it, y'all. So that is a wrap for this video. Make sure y'all comment down below all the videos you would like to see. I'm trying to knock out, I've seen this video in the comments, that's why I'm doing it. I'm trying to knock out all the video suggestions that I have seen in the comments. So with that being said, I am looking, y'all. I am not ignoring y'all. I'm looking, and it will be done. So with that being said, it is your girl Lex, y'all. Call me Lex, Lexo, whatever y'all want to call me. I don't really do Alexis, so, oh shit, I'm slipping. But it's your girl Lex, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Mwah.